Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's steamed rice noodles that are stuffed with pork and prawns and herbs. The ingredients are in the recipe box below. It's very, very simple. It tastes delicious and it's a little bit fancy. To our bowl, we're just going to add our rice flour and our tapioca flour and mix that to a real watery slurry with some water. Okay, with 3 cups of our powder, we add 2 cups of water. Just mix that all through and then we'll add a little bit more water to make it really quite runny. We're using Char Sui Pork and fresh prawns. We've got some cilantro or coriander already chopped up with heaps of spring onions. And we've made a sauce of soy sauce, a dash of fish sauce, some sesame oil, some sugar, a little bit of rice wine vinegar, a little bit of Chinese cooking wine. And we'll just put that to one side. We're going to sprinkle some spring onions in that as well. Another half a cup or so of water in there. Alrighty, just our other half cup of water. Mix that right up. Every time you put another set of noodles in there, you have to mix it again because it'll settle right out. Okay, just put that to one side. To our pan, which is a wok, we have added some water, a trivet or a cake cooling stand to give us a bit of height, and we're going to use, all I've got is an 8-inch cake pan. You should be using a big stainless steel pan, but this is actually, it's not 8 inches, 7 inches, and it's going to sit right in there on top of our water, which is just on a gentle simmer, as flat as possible. Now to our pan, we're just going to get some oil and brush it liberally on the bottom and the sides so that our mixture doesn't stick and actually releases. And this only takes a couple of minutes to cook. So pop that in there like so. Give our mixture a good whiz around. Get about that much of our mixture. Now we're going to have to move this a little bit to make sure that it's flatter. So that means our trivet's not quite flat. Alright, now we put a lid on that and we cook it just for a couple of minutes until it goes really quite translucent. Okay, just a couple of prawns along there, a little sprinkle of coriander on there too, and a little sprinkle of our spring onions on there. Okay, so put the lid on there and just wait a couple of minutes. Okay, just while that batch is cooking, it's time to serve this batch, and we're just going to cut them so that they're easy to manage into 4s. Not that one, that's going to fly to bits if I do that. I just tried a little something different there. And we're just going to pour our sauce over the top. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's steamed rice noodles. Have a little taste, shall we?